Hello everyone, I am Professor Sushant Mohite, working as a Head of Electrical Department from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we start the practical number 8 of the subject Energy Conservation and Audit. The title of the practical number 8 is Analysis of Electric Bill based on the tariff of industrial consumers to reduce energy use and electric bill. The first part of this practical is practical significance. The electrical diploma engineer must be able to interpret the electricity bill and the tariff schedule of the industrial consumers. They are then expected to suggest suitable tariff if applicable to achieve energy conservation and its impact to reduce the energy bill. The next is the program outcome which is relevant to this practical. The first, discipline knowledge, engineering tools, the engineer and society, environment and the sustainability, ethics, and the last is a communication. Then next is a competency and practical skill. This practical is expected to develop the skill of identifying the energy efficient lamp or gear based on the test data. The next is a relevant course outcome which is relevant to this practical. Implement energy conservation techniques in electrical machines. Apply energy conservation technique in electrical installation, and the last is a use cogeneration and relevant tariff for reducing losses in facilities. The next is a practical outcomes, analysis of electric bill based on tariff of industrial consumer to reduce energy use and electric bill. Then the theoretical background of this practical, knowledge of the terms used in electrical power distribution and framing of tariff, classification of consumer based on amount of energy consumption, various type of tariff used to calculate energy bill of industrial consumer with their respective merits and demerits. The next is the sample copy of energy bill of the industry. Here we collect the electricity bill of the LT consumer. It's a low tension consumer. Okay. The name of the consumer is Miss Narendra Chheda, okay, or the Neeraj, and the name of the industry is Neeraj Metal. This is the tariff structure here used by the MSEB is LT5B2. This is the LT consumer. This company is the LT consumer. Okay, so this is the electricity, the first page of the electricity bill of this consumer. Okay, in this electricity bill, the total unit consumed by this electricity, this industry is which is given in the billing history. So from July 2018 to July 2019. This industry consumes the following or the unit which is given in this history. Also the demand is a kVA, okay, and the next column is the amount. Okay, this is the billing history of this consumer. Okay, here the tariff structure is a 36 LT5B2. Then the supply at it's a LT. And the cost of the total electricity bill is 20,670 rupees. Okay. The next and important part of this electricity bill is this one TOD zone, which we learn in this practical. This is the TOD, means time of day block, or the time of the tariff schedule. Okay, here the 0 hours to 6 hours the unit consumed is a 44. Then the 22 hours to 24 hours is also consumed the 44 units. Then 0 hours to 9 hours and 12 hours to 18 hours this industry consumed the 333 units. Then from 9 hours to 12 hours, this industry consumes the units 149. Then from 18 hours to 22 hours, this industry consumes the 115 units. So This is the tariff structure or this industry. Then next is this tariff schedule, which is given in your manual. Okay, this schedule give the maximum information, maximum knowledge to the student. The first, from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. it's the first column is the time of day block. From 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. the cost per kilowatt hour in rupees, the first 6 is the main charge plus 0. Plus means it's a penalty, and the 0 means 0 rupees is given by the distribution company to the industry. Okay, so because the remark is the base load, means at base load, if the industry were in between 6 to 9 am, the charge is a 6, but there is a no penalty. Okay, then from 9 am to 12 noon, the charges is the 6 plus 0.80 is the penalty, because the remark is the peak load. Then from 12 noon to 6 pm, the charges is 6, but there is a no penalty because it's a base load. Then from 6 pm to 10, it's a peak load, so the charges is 6 plus penalty is 1.10. The next, and the very important, from 10 pm to 6 am means it's a night, the charges is 5, and the distribution company gives the incentives. That's why it's a minus 1.5. Okay, because it's a peak off condition. Okay, then for procedure, the procedure which is followed for this experiment: collect electricity bill of any industry, interpret the type and structure of tariff used to calculate the electricity bill, use different types of tariff which are applicable to the industrial consumer and calculate electricity bill. Next, compare the energy bill based on the cost, and the last, suggest type of economical tariff schedule of rate applicable to the industrial consumers. Okay, this is the procedure which we can follow in this practical. After doing this procedure, in the next video we learn by using this TOD tariff schedule, we calculate the total monthly unit consumed by the industry and the monthly electricity bill.